So when I call myself a preventive pediatric dentist, I was not trained in the university or as a part of my subject curriculum to be a tongue tie specialist. The journey that I took is when I started treating thousands and thousands of children to align their crooked teeth naturally. So my area of interest fell in teeth alignment and jaw alignment with exercises. So when I touched about 4,000 plus patients, I saw there's a pattern that most of these children who have crooked teeth or who have misshaped jaw have a very negative history of breastfeeding. And when you look at what happens with breastfeeding, and when I ask these mothers, they say either the milk supply was low or they were not able to establish latch. They tried for few months and then they shifted to bottles. Now, apart from me being pediatric dentist, I'm also a mother of two, and I had similar issues with my elder child. So now this led me to question on why this is happening, and I started learning extensively on the role of tongue in terms of head and neck growth, jaw growth, and also breastfeeding. I went east and west to learn more about this. I was at the Tongue Tie Institute, Australia, and I was at the Tufts University, Boston, and I got myself trained extensively by expertise in this field on how to treat children and why tongue movement and tongue mobility and tongue function is very important for breastfeeding. Not just breastfeeding, what I realized is when the tongue movement and tongue mobility and tongue function is much better, these children not have properly growing jaws, they don't have crooked teeth, and they have jaws that are growing wider, and their airway, that is their breathing, is much better, and these children's sleep quality is also much better. And that's how I call myself a preventive pediatric dentist, and I'm a tongue tie specialist too. And when I call myself a preventive pediatric dentist, prevention actually starts from breastfeeding to help the mother and child establish exclusive, extended, non-compensated breastfeeding, and that's how I help children.